Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upgrade to first class on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Trainline application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, you just need to go and then after that, register if you do not have a profile. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us. Here you have the search bar and the bottom of the screen, as you can see, my tickets, where you can see your tickets. Here we have an example ticket. We have account, where you can see everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and upgrade to first class on Trainline. It is pretty simple. You can just follow these few steps. So, can you do that? Of course, if you already hold a ticket for travel in standard class, you can upgrade to first class before you start your journey if you pay the difference in fare at any staff national rail ticket office. So basically, you can just go and click on your ticket here when you have it in your tickets. Click on it and put the upgrade there. Of course, you'll need to pay an additional fee, as I already told you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, guys, bye.